Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I have here a big box from Atlas Stationers and I am very, very excited. Let's get started. So first thing I see in my Atlas Stationers order is this really cute postcard, and there is a man walking with the huge Lamy Safari down the street with Atlas Stationers in it, and it said, "Great day, Hobonichi has made it." Oh gosh, that's Teresa. Very cute. I love it. And made its way. Oh, great day, Hobonichi has made its way. How could I not read that? All right. So the first thing I'm actually going to show here, this is not for me. This is actually for my aunt. Oh, hold on. That's my daughter. Sorry about that. Okay. So the first package in here is actually for my aunt, who I have subsequently pinabled, but like very basic fountain pen pinabling. I got her a Lamy All-Star in the, what color is this? The graphite, and she wanted the 1.5 stub, so I bought her that. I did not get her a converter or anything. I just got her some cartridges so that she could basically get started right away with her fountain pen. And she also has an extra, I think it's a medium nib that I have in here. No, it's a fine nib, so if she wanted to switch it out for the fine nib, she certainly can. And then I bought her the cartridges as well. So we'll see what she ends up doing with this, whether, you know, she ends up buying a converter with a whole bunch of ink, or if she just sticks to the All-Star as it is with the cartridges. But yeah, I've pinabled somebody, which I have to say is a more of an occurrence. And normally when I pinable somebody, it's mostly in the sentence of "I blame you for this purchase." Anyway, all right, so okay, so I purchased my Hobonichi order from Atlas because of the kindness of every single person who has used my Atlas affiliate link. Without you guys, this order would not have been possible. I wouldn't have placed probably half of this order, more than half of this order, without that Atlas affiliate credit. So thank you so much. All right, so I'm gonna unpackage this one first and then this one, because you can kind of already tell what it is. So, spoiler alert, I did not purchase planners from Hobonichi. I did not purchase any planners because my planners for next year have already been pre-ordered from Sterling Ink. However, that doesn't mean that I am not allowed to order anything else from Hobonichi, because Hobonichi has so many beautiful accessories. First one being, oh my gosh, this is cute. So this is, I'm looking at my invoice here. This is the Hobonichi Techo A6 original planner cover in the Mina Perhonen Symphony. Oh, wow. But it's like, Karina, why did you order this cover if you did not even buy an A6 planner? Well, I bought a passport size planner from Sterling Ink, and I plan to use it as a wallet in this cutie patootie. So I'll basically place my passport planner in here, credit cards, license in here, etc., etc. And this could be like a cute little planner wallet. Oh my gosh, I'm already having trouble with the zipper. But how cute is that? You've got like the cat and the pattern. It still looks really classy, actually. This will fit really good in my purse as a wallet. I somehow feel like it's bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little bit smaller, because right now what I'm using for a wallet is my Galen Leather Weeks Leather Weeks cover. So it's got actually a Planner Monkey Co. notebook in here. I keep my cards in here and my license, and then there's room for a pen. But both are actually a good size for a wallet, and I think this will be really cute for a passport size cover. Now, I don't have my passport planner here, but I can show you what it looks like with an A6. So you can put, oh my gosh, how cute is that? And then the passport is just going to be that little bit smaller. And then you've got the pen loop here. One of the things that I wish about this pen loop was that it was stretchy. Ooh. And then I'm seeing that there is this huge pocket, just like so. Oh, wow. Beautiful. And then you've got the two bookmarks in here, the page markers in here. Probably not what I would use, but are they stretchy? No, but they are good fabric there. So you've got, ooh, the little card. What is Mina Perhonen? The brand was created by Akira Minagawa in 1995 based on the concept of special everyday clothes. Love it. So this is not my first Mina Perhonen cover. I have my Hobonichi Cousin A5 cover in the Anemone, and I absolutely love it. So this is for that. Ooh, so excited for this. I'm actually going to, no, I'm going to zip this up. Actually, wait. I'm going to put everything away because I do not want, I'm not going to use it yet until my Sterling Ink Passport Planner comes. So that is the Hobonichi Techo A6 original planner cover in the Mina Perhonen Symphony. Woo! All right, next one is in the other package. Okay, and I love bubble wrap. Love bubble wrap. Definitely on days where you need something to fidget with. And I apologize for those who don't like this noise. Woo! Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, so a few things in here. Wow. Okay, let's take that out. Wait, that one's last. So I also bought the Hobonichi, which one is this one? The Hobonichi Notebook A5 in the Yamazakura. And this is the Tomoe River paper. I already have a few Hobonichi notebooks, but I wanted to purchase one with this beautiful cover. And it's got the smaller grids here in the different colors of the pages with the Hobonichi Tomoe River paper, but this is the Sanzen paper, so it is the new Tomoe River paper. And then I also bought some pencil boards. I love pencil boards. I currently have, I think, yeah, one in every planner, I think two in my cousin. So, but those are the navy and pink ones, and I wanted some that were a bit more decorative. So I bought the, which one is this one? This is the Hobonichi Tomi Taro Makino pencil board for the weeks. So you can see, oh, look at that. Yeah, that is the progression of the flower. And then I bought the Tomi Taro Makino for the A6. Really like that. And then for the cousin, the A5. Really, really pretty. So those I'm gonna put in here for now, because this one I will probably use in my passport cover or my passport planner, which will end up going in this cover. And then the week size one will go into my Sterling Ink N2 planner. And then this one will go in the A5 cover. A5 planner, keep calling it cover. Well, I also wanted to point out that with the pencil boards, the colors on the back, you've got this really pretty green, purple, and yellow. So each pencil board looks slightly different. They're not all the same, which I love. All right, and then last but not least, look at it sparkle. I wasn't expecting it to sparkle, but wow. This was a splurge. I would not have purchased this if it weren't for every single one of you using my affiliate link. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is, oh, and it comes with a pouch. Very nice. Laurent Garrigue, London. So this is the Hobonichi Techo A5 cousin cover in the Laurent Garrigue Twinkle Tweed. Can you see that sparkle? I don't know if I'm picking that up on camera, But oh my gosh, I did not buy a cover on cover for this, and now I feel like I should have. But thing is, I didn't buy a cover on cover for my anemone, and it's fine. I'm more concerned about this one though, like the fabric and the threading coming out. I don't know. I'm still undecided on whether I should buy a cover on cover because I want to protect it, but I also don't like the plastic cover on cover. Meh. But anyway, I love the cover, or I love the color of the inside. I really like that type of green. So this is where I'm going to put my Sterling Ink Common Planner next year. It's just so gorgeous. Like, look at that. I mean, from far away, it looks just like, but then you look at the detail. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited for this cover. I'm really glad that I splurged on it because I do absolutely really love it. Oh, so there is that cover with the pouch. And I can see why you would want to protect it, but I'm not the one, well, I say that. I'm not going to bring this out and about every day. I will bring it when I travel, but I may put it in a different cover when I travel. So that is the Laurent Garrigue Twinkle Tweed. Then we have the, is that upside down? The Mina Perhonen Symphony. Then we have the notebook and the pencil boards. So that is my Hobonichi order from Atlas Stationers. I believe they still might have some items in stock, and if you would like to shop from them, you can use my code Karina10 for 10% off using the affiliate link in the description below. And that affiliate link doesn't cost you any extra, it just helps me purchase more stuff like this in the future. Whew. All right, I am so excited about this. And for any Canadians who are ordering from Atlas, they are trying to find a much faster shipping method. The most recent one, they used UPS. However, UPS charges astronomical customs fees. So Atlas are trying to figure out the best way to ship to Canada without paying such exorbitant customs fees. Thankfully, Atlas were amazing in helping sort this out, and I still managed to get this. Let's see, when did I order it? September 1st. It is now September 13th that I am filming this. So, I didn't order from the Hobonichi website directly, mainly because I had Atlas credit, so I wanted to support Atlas, and I didn't have to spend any extra money because I had my Atlas credit. All right, I just keep blabbing because I'm in love with this. I'm so happy with this. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's move this down a little bit so you can really see everything. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.